Yes, I'm still into this scrumptious meal, Jamaican stew chicken with rice and peas. Some would say rice and bean, but here in the Caribbean, particularly Jamaica, we say rice and peas. Can you see that? I'm digging in, man. This is good food. Yeah, this is good food. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying it. This is no joke. I'm enjoying.
Get strong.
Yeah, you see, I've put in all of these goodies. One of my secret ingredients, you know, a little okra, carrot, thyme, you know, a little powder seasoning, some natural seasoning. I'm just gonna add a little ketchup to this, you know, and look what I'm gonna do. Look what I am going to do. Add a little, not too much, I don't want this chicken to look like that chicken. So a little. If I need more, I'll add it. And I use my hand. Put that camera around that place. You see it. I want them to see what is happening. Yeah. See that? See that? See that? I'm just going to add a little bit more of brown. This is which brand I'm using, Eve. It's very economical. See that? Just use your hand and massage the chicken into a circular motion, massage a circular motion, clockwise, counterclockwise. You know, you just want each piece of chicken to just absorb whatever ingredients is added. See? I'm gonna have, you know, one tip more and that's it. Ooh, hope I did not overdo it a little more. Yeah. And just a little more, that's not too much. Oh, see that color? So you can go ahead and make one big pour when you're through. You have black chicken in that pot. Remember, we eat using our eyes. You know, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ah. Feel like I want to eat it. I don't have to put it in the pot as yet. But guess what? I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. Shine it close on that. Oh my. Oh my. This is ready. So I'm gonna actually put this in the pot. Some individuals actually put oil in the pot, but I'm not gonna put any oil in the pot. Everything that we do, we make sure that we do it as healthy as possible. We're not gonna be 100% healthy, but we aim for that. So in the next minute or two, I'll be showing you how I'll be cooking this. Stay tuned. Go to the bathroom. Take a bathroom break if you need to. But stay tuned. And here, welcome back. I'm about to put all of this chicken in the pot. I say I'm not going to put any oil. I'm going to actually close or cover the pot and allow it to just have its way. In other words, the flavor to just combine. Alright, thereafter I'm going to add some water to this and turn down the flame and allow it to slow cook. So, add that for another 5 minutes or so. Let it stay there for another 5 minutes or so. Look at this. Look at that. I said earlier, the container that I seasoned the chicken, I actually add a little water to it and then actually pour it in this. Try that thing closer for me, man. You see that? See? See that gravy down there? Let me see that gravy. See that? See that? I'm just going to actually pour this. Allow it to slow cook. I'm going to pour all of this. It needs a bit more. You see that? The okra and carrot and everything. It's just going to take the body. Alright, so that is it for now. At the end of this cooking, you will see the end result. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. Welcome once again, viewers, to 12 Years Gone. I just seasoned and prepared this meal. Roast chicken and rice and peas, and I'm about to dig into this, and I'm telling you, it's like I'm not being blasphemous, but this is like heaven in my mouth. No need to offend anybody, but I'm just relating my experience. This food tastes extremely good. The chicken is moist, it's flavorful, it's falling from the bone. Just go over and watch that video that we have posted. Brown stew chicken and rice and peas. This is good. This is good. And the rice, that flavorful as the chicken. Yes, I know that I do not have any veggies in my plate, you know. I've been so busy, and you know, time did not permit to actually did not permit me to make any veggies. But it's just one of those days, you know. But this brown stew chicken is flavorful, man. Flavorful. Look at this. See that? Yeah, it's flavorful. And as I kept saying, we're trying our best to acquire up to 1,500 subscribers by the middle of this year. And trust me, we'll be so grateful if we acquire the 1,500 before the middle of this year. And this will not be possible without you, or valued, yes, valued or committed viewers. Tell someone, tell a friend to tell a friend. Also, we have skin care products. We have a business, skin care products, not just skin care products, but natural skin care products. Go over our website, jacaribhealthyglow.com. We sell an array of natural skincare products. Your natural cocoa shea body butter, your natural raw shea body butter, black soap, you name it. Just give the website some reading. I must say pay the website a visit and give it some time, about maybe 2 minutes. Browse through and trust me, something is there for you. As usual, thanks for watching and have a wonderful evening. Have a wonderful week. I'm checking out. 12 years gone. Peace. Yes, I'm still into this scrumptious meal. Jamaican stew chicken with rice and peas. Some would say rice and bean, but here in the Caribbean, particularly Jamaica, would say rice and peas. Can you see that? I'm digging in, man. This is good food. Yeah. This is good food. I'm enjoying this. I'm enjoying it. This is no joke. I'm enjoying it. No. I'm enjoying it. And I'm grateful. I'm grateful to know that, I could cook a meal, sit down, and enjoy it. I have to give God thanks for that. And I pray that those who are unable to do this will be able to do it one day. Very soon, of course. Very delicious. See that? Enjoying this, man. Something. Yeah. This food is the bomb. This food, yeah. Yeah. If anyone wants it off, yeah. This is no joke. Well, this is no joke. I said this is no joke for us. This is no joke. Look at that. As usual, I've said it before. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Don't forget to like, share, and of course subscribe. We are really working hard to put out great content, and by the middle of this year we are being optimistic. We will acquire 1,500 subscribers. I'm being optimistic, and thank you in advance. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, night, anywhere you're at in the world. Peace out. Coming from 12 years gone to you. Bye bye.